Hi friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. So I just real quick tonight want to show you this product that I got from Amazon. So if you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a subby friend. And if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. So I get asked a lot about putting holes in like my products, so like epoxy, stuff like that. And I normally use this little hand drill, which, you know, really does do a good job, but you know, it is a hand drill. And I found this little drill on Amazon and it was only $14.99. So it comes with this little piece here, and this, you know, it screws on and off to hold your piece in place that you want to put a hole in or you want to drill. And I'm actually thinking, I was trying to decide what to do with it, and I think I might do like Velcro strips and put it on one of these green mats, because I was like, oh, what should I do with it to hold it in place? So these Dollar Tree mats, I have a bunch of them, so I think that I might actually Velcro it to that, and then I can move this out of the way, but I have something to hold it. So this is the little drill, and it comes, it's this type of, cord. It doesn't come with one of these, so this is mine I already had, but it comes like this. So put it in there and plug it in. And then it's got the little power switches here. Oop, I just drilled something I didn't want to. And then this little thing is like, you know, if you need to lock this piece down here, I guess. I haven't had to use it, but it comes with all these little drill bits. Now I will say the drill bits are definitely smaller than my hand drill, but this one that's in here, this bigger size one, is good for, you know, like doing a little hole. So I just lock my piece in and, you know, put this in. And that quickly I can do my hole. And then if I need my hole to be just a little bit bigger than what's available, then I just sort of like circle it around a bit. So the thing that I found with this also is if I have like some fine detailed things, so like a pen or something that I need to be able to just like get like an edge off of it, I can use this for that also. So, you know, it's definitely pretty handy. So I know I already had this in, so this, but just, you know, it unscrews like this, and like these pieces here lock down and unscrew to allow you to move stuff. Oh, maybe that thing is for these, I don't know. It came like this, but I mean, it's only $14.99 and it's definitely handy. And then I have my little hole in here. I'm gonna be using this for a little bracelet that I'm making, and I wanted a hole in it. So this is really cute. I got this from AliExpress, super cute. I did a video on all of these, so if you're wondering like how to order these things, I did, you know, do a video on it. But so again, here's my little drill, $14.99 from Amazon, and I thought it was a really good idea. It works super good. I can also, you know, use it to get edges off of stuff if I need to. I don't really have anything that I need to get an edge off of, but oh, here, let me put it in. Let's see. I don't really need to get an edge off, but we'll still So as you can see, like even like my little epoxy pieces, even though it's a drill, like it works really well for just sanding down like small areas. So anyways, I thought it's something that, you know, might be helpful for some of you guys, so I thought I would share. Listen, I hope you have a blessed and beautiful day, friends. And if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. And the puppy is outside with me. She doesn't like the fact that she is on her leash and can't just run all over the place. So that's why you hear her whining. So, but yeah, this did like a really good job. So anyways, have a blessed and beautiful day, friends, and I hope it was helpful. I'll see you later. Bye.